Manipur Police celebrates 125th anniversary. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren asserts police is the mirror of the government. People celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, with traditional and religious fervor in Manipur. Health Minister Jayanta Kumar emphasizes a need for research by young students on medicinal plants used by prior generations in Manipur. And people object to proposed construction of Hairok Branch Canal as part of a Thoubal multi-purpose project, ask government to stop it. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We wish our viewers a very happy Diwali. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Police today celebrated the Kwazkui Centennial Raising Day at the parade ground of the 1st Manipur Rifles. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren asserted that the police is the mirror of the government and the mistakes of the police are that of the government. He appeals to the police to keep the state and nation ahead of everything while performing their duties. The Chief Minister said the police, IRB, Manipur Rifles, teachers, doctors and nurses will be posted at remote areas in the hills beginning January 2018 on a rotational basis. Biren also appeals the people to not criticize the police, CRPF, BSF and other forces who serve the people. The Chief Minister also inspected the parade. He presented the Kwazkui Centennial Medal to DGP LM Kaute. He also distributed the DGP Best Battalion, Best Police Station, Best Police Officer medals and DGP Commendation Roll and Disc. Ministers, MLAs, officers of Manipur Police, IRB, MR and BSF were present on the occasion. A Kwazkui Centennial souvenir was also released. It may be mentioned that Manipur Police was raised as the state military police on October 19, 1892.
Singi lamda la leriba kungal ki lamda la leriba praja singu ki protect ekoi na tongna kana tongni adu unda kitan rural oi ki ba kitan lab ki ba or kitan interior oi ki ba matlab da ekoi transfer posting sakko ki gudung sa ba se ekoi ayam bane avoid tongne adu singi lamda or agar ki kungal ki lamda police ki appearance se wat padina law rules of law exist of the zona mayam feel the way adu it is my honest appeal State kasi maya punong koi sakse pera maya ubo mami ko koi ki appearance koi na agam koi safety feel to ko hai se machine je koi police personnel MR IRB punong makka feel to ni lekin ko jati punong makki interest na state se amat koi na intact koi thambai se police na ki labor state ki miya mati sarkar sili amat tangai ba commitment.
People today celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, with traditional and religious fervor in the state. They decorated their houses with lights and flowers to welcome the goddess of Lakshmi. The festival also symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Despite the ban imposed by the government on the sale and busting of firecrackers during the celebration of the festival, people burst firecrackers in several areas in Imphal city. As done in the past, the police beefed up security measures ahead of the festival to prevent any untoward incidents. Deepavali, the festival of lights, is celebrated across the country. The national capital is fully decked up to celebrate the festival. President and Vice President and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have extended their greetings to the countrymen on Deepavali. President Ramnath Kovind in his message said the festival celebrates the victory of light over darkness, goodness over evil and justice over injustice. In his message, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu said Deepavali signifies the victory of good over evil and encourages us to emulate the noble and virtuous qualities of Lord Rama. He wished that the festival will light up our lives and usher in peace, prosperity and happiness. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also greeted the people on the occasion of Deepavali. In a tweet, Modi hoped that this auspicious festival brightens the lives of people with prosperity and good health. Reports of Diwali celebrations are coming in from abroad as well, including Sri Lanka and UAE. As one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, Ningol Chakoba is around the corner. Shoppers throng the Khwaramban markets. The market is buzzing with Ningol Chakoba shoppers coming from different parts of the state. Most of them are buying Chakoba gifts for their married daughters and sisters.
Handak ki posi sia, yo dia, handak di cite, nah mengenai amheli siapa, gari ju jangan le, ada ki gari ga, aku iga kami nari pun jangan, amat tak ya de poy man ham ki di, hek tholop ko joro sili gari tinggal le, handak ki sina, gari loi bang, thadal amni aku poy jo makan deng hari, hogol hari ni, aku ki hari bakai tian sia, asyik ju semjan video lo chan video. Aku jono semain dah lagi, museum mang dah lagi. Ada moi na semi dalam ni aku thok le, humang tu luar le. Hauji kan di kampur ni lai kudeng hai bani, ada kompak hai bani, ada bra ya hai bani, tauna dah bani na. Ada aku ipotok si amat terpot setere. Isa sing inau sing mayam dah hajan yang berarti aku ipotok si tau biu. Ada ibung ipaga aku ikat cara amat samin nasi. Ada ga nungai na lagi nasi hai ni ngay di.
Communist Party of India (CPI) has greeted the women of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. The party wished that the festival will bring love, peace and prosperity. IG Assam Rifle South Major General Virendra Singh in a press release has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals. In his greetings, the IG wished that the festivals will promote goodwill and bring peace and prosperity in the state. All Manipur Students Union has greeted the women of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. MSU in a press release urged the shopkeepers to not hike the prices of all commodities. Khurai MLA L. Sushindro presented gifts to the women of the constituency in connection with Hiyangaigi Nini Panba Ningol Chakoba. Speaking at the event, L. Sushindro said, women play a vital role in development of a constituency. He assured that construction of 2 Lamlong market sheds will be started around December this year and January next year. The MLA appeals to people to support and participate in development works taken up in the constituency. He wished that the festival will bring love and peace in the constituency.
Ningol Chakoba lan lakpada akhoi Khurai kendra da leiba praja ichinau sing amasung mayam punamakpu yaifaba amasung asoiba yaudana naina miyamda akhoi yesumba kudol sing asi tamjabani ado nong singi fiam si phataba akhoi si January December January swaida di almost yaradra na akhoi adumbagi thajaba se lei kaithen si ani oiba akhoi si kaithen si mamanglom da amaga maninglom da amaga kaithel ani si da mamanglom gi saruk sina khara pi ado maninglom gi sina khara chawba aduna kaithel ani si punjhalakpada akhoi si matam kitang lobani aduna kaithel amadi hana saba horadra na akhoi asmaina phongtok sak
Imphal East District Police arrested about 20 people who were involved in Lagao gambling in different parts of the district today. The arrested persons were produced before media along with the seized dices at the office of SP Imphal East District. SP Kabib K told media persons that the persons were arrested after police received complaints against gambling in various parts of the district including Haingang, Porompat and Irilbung areas. Kabib appeals to public to not encourage gambling activities during Diwali festival.
Instruction is also given to all police stations to go for frequent patrolling to conduct raid and seize wherever the place the lagaws are organized. Lagaw is gambling. I request public also not to encourage the organizers of lagaw to get benefit out of from their own hard-earned money. Encouraging the lagaw will lead to more and more problem in the locality also. So I request the locality leaders to help the police whenever we come for the raid and to help us to catch the organizers of the lagaw.
Health Minister L. Jayanta has emphasized the need for research works by young students on the medicinal plants used by the forefathers since time immemorial. He was speaking at the inaugural of 365-day school activities organized jointly by Manipur State Medicinal Plants Board, Directorate of Ayush and Development for Needy Welfare Organization, Sega Road at Maisnam Nongthongbam, Laikai in Kashamthong constituency today. The minister said before the doctors came in Manipur, the Maibas and Maibis would prepare various medicines from the plants available in the state to cure different diseases. He said the State Medicinal Plants Board is cultivating plants with medicinal values. The minister said people must make themselves aware of these plants and their benefits. Prizes were distributed to the winners of painting competition on Hidak Sungba Yaba Pambi.
School khuding magta haikru pambi thao hai pisa lem de piri grant piri subsidy piri kadabagino haikru pambi tara thabaganda loine sigreng khala fauda haikru pambi amak tang hingorba madudagi haikru do maduna angang sinduna hap thropaganda haikru khullaga chabagi hainabi do maduna haikru do amak tang do orso anga amna chagi taragadi mangonda ataba vitamin mai thadrusi yare haikru duna dum Parani yatan adu wakalonda government paya tha darge silli je kaigino have darge medicinal value lai wakil potto madu oibegine.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. People have expressed a strong objection to the proposed construction of the Hairok Branch Canal as part of the Thaubal multi-purpose project by the government with the help of stakeholders. Joint Committee Against Hairok Branch Canal had warned of intense agitations if the government continues with the project. The committee said the construction of the proposed canal is against the wishes of farmers and land owners. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of the committee, K.H. Maipak, said the proposed 100 feet wide Hairok Branch Canal will affect the residential lands and other farms of 10 villages. He mentioned that the Khuga, Thaubal multipurpose project and Loktak project constructed by the government have not provided any benefits to the people. Maipak urged the government not to construct the proposed Hairok Branch Canal as it will not benefit the people. He requested for construction of a mini dam on the river running through Hairok and also to dig wells in the paddy fields as a perennial source of water which would be more beneficial to the people.
Main canal both hell or the branch canal Mutochalaga, Lamji Mangan by Sabatane, Lamji Kanaba, the late Maramaduna, a go canal, Shitoba, local Luminzina, a go Yajaning. Sarkarna, Prasai Kobu, Nami Idana, possibility to be of Targati. I go Masigi the Mata, I go Cadorone, low Udnasan, Shishu Shiva, more than a Halishu Shiva, Adumahala near. I did low my pump the cannon, my pump I could toy them, Tajarani, no make up the hot hazard.
People of Lilong constituency are facing serious grievances as the place has been hit thrice by flood this year. Properties were destroyed in 19 villages, 450 acres of paddy fields, 800 farms and 4,500 houses were submerged under flood water. Flood water from Atau Canal at Nganglo Local submerged the paddy fields. Villagers said the farmers are facing hardships as their crops failed thrice. Chief Coordinator of Lilong Karampat Local Farmers Club, LKLFC, Mohammad Firoz Khan, lamented that despite the announcement by Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren to give compensation to flood victims through DCs, the villagers have not received any compensation. He alleged that the local MLA is indifferent to the problem facing the people. He lamented that the government announces several packages for the hills but ignored the hardships facing the farmers of the constituency even though they had submitted several memorandums. He warned that the farmers might commit suicide like in other states.
Laumi singi asuk mangi ba kholi ba sigi facility gi matang da DC dagi natraga state government dagi hajik pau base chapchaba report am pau phangjadri state government ama di central government na ani na karamba pre plan tawi ga dagi tawiraga hariba loan singa si kokpi pham thogi kokpi u haiba khola waduni akoi na CSO kaya amana pullaga akoi ge mamang tha da so akoi laujagre lep laitana nga si ju laujari hariba pandam ma se phangdri pau ba Manipur gi CSO kaya ama punsil laga akoi ahen ba khongjang kaya changchan na ba gi damak ta su khanna nai na jaba
The fifth Foundation Day cum Literary Bit 2017 of TMK English School, Thaubal Leshangthem, was held today. Students of the schools who had passed the HSLC examination this year with high marks were presented with gifts as an encouragement. Director General of State Academy of Training, O. Kishore, said students must set a goal and strive for it. He advised the students to manage time properly. Khangabog MLA or Suraj Kumar was among those present at the event. Mitei Irol Iyek Loinasilol Apunbalup Milal has stated that Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren has assured them of a repository where all the scattered works on history of Manipur can be collated and stored. Speaking to media persons at Milal's office on BT Road today, Milal President T.H. Babul Chand said the Chief Minister gave the assurance when they met him on the 16th of this month in connection with the promotion of Mitei Mayek. He said the Chief Minister also agreed to look into the issues brought up by Milal, including amendment to the Manipur Official Language Act 1979, serial number 2, clause F, which said Bengali script should be used for writing Manipuri language. Milal and Film for Manipur have reached an understanding to write the name of the films in Mitei Mayek in bold letters. Babul Chand appeals to the film fraternity to respect the agreements.
Honorable Siamga, Lepak Sigoba, Lord Meki, Sankeliga Kudangi Matanga, Wari Sanazarure, Honorable Siamgi, Nagari Taramna, Galona, Hariba, Nakat, Warol Singado, Munamutana, Tabirai, Robak Nauremna, Malayam Gitaka, Hadin Sing Taka, Yong Kida, a hand boy Namite, Mena, Haktuna, Putok Pijiba, Asi, Milana, Puchipuko in a Kaujero, Hariwasiu, Milan Makadagi, Noncolate Tagasari. Asigumba, Robert Nauringumba Kaya, Konasha, Tortuna, Malenga Pompa Kata, Highway International Taka, Mayasu Masak Tapira, Kani Highway Asepa Milan Megadi.
17 Assam Rifles of 10 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South distributed 12 solar lights to villages of Bungdung, Kasong in Kamjong districts. The village has no source of electricity and has been facing problems due to lack of connectivity and power supply. Tama Students Union Manipur has alleged that Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District, Armstrong Pamay, is trying to relocate the proposed State Bank of India, Tamay branch from Tama village under Tamay subdivision. The union has warned of intense agitation if the Deputy Commissioner does not halt the process. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, former president of the union, Dinraibo Pamay, said the people of Tama village provided 5 acres of land to the government of Manipur and construction work for BDO, bank and a police barrack had started in 2013. These were constructed as part of Hill Inclusive Infrastructure Growth Project under the MDS. He claimed that 90% of the work is complete and preparations are on for their inauguration on the 23rd or 24th of this month. Dinraibo Pame alleged that the DC is trying to relocate the bank to Tamai Guest House complex. He said the bank will serve the people and there is no need for relocation. He threatens with intense agitation if the authorities do not act at the earliest. Dinraibo Pame also said they will approach the courts.
Long DC Armstrong Pame na date 17 October 2017 asida lai haraga Tamai Guest House da asigi bank asi thamkhrani haina declare tobdo ekoi student union sing na yaba yaning da ba phondokpani agitation torakpada krigumba any incident thoradi responsibility DC ga Tamai gi SDO na logani.
Newly regularized Staffs Association in a press release has appealed to the government and department concerned to look into the recruitment of LDA, calligrapher, stenographer at the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur in 1999 without any advertisement of the said post. Contractors and workers locked the gate of solid waste management, demanding payment of their due wages for 4 years for working at Manipur State Solid Waste Management, Lamdeng in Imphal West today. A construction worker, Khoirom Naubi, said works at Solid Waste Management site was started in 2009 and completed by 2014. He alleged that the workers have not been given their wages until now by the PDA and Mahut, making excuse that the center has not sanctioned the funds for the same. He said they resorted to agitation, preventing any kind of work at the site after they were denied their wages for several years.
Mafam si siyam basa pungoi lo na private company amana mafam sida run tawraga yam phajana thaba achi suba hore adu akhoi gidi labor man festival ini festival lakpada sahi mari hena akhoi paisa pithok tabnina pressure se yam kanna lakpadagi akhoi mafam sida khoi sujagi ba semga saga khiba ai khakta natna koila thagi ba mai gi suri ba adagi akhoi gi compost hai gi ba cement gi adagi akhoi gi yot gi iron taw gi ba yam se khoi punjan jaraga mafam sida akhoi khusuman pithok di phawa mafam sida kari ma thaba amata tahon da akhoi khongjang si changhan jabani.
All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union in a press release said a memorandum including 8 demands have been submitted to the Education Minister. The union threatened to stop preparing midday meals if their honorariums are not paid before Ningol Chakoba. Maring Lamlai Festival for the year was celebrated today at Hairog in Thaubal district. The festival was organized by Program Committee of Kwarok Maring Village Authority at the public ground of the village. Elderly persons, young men and women performed traditional dances and prayed for the prosperity of the village. Village leader T.H. Khosi Hill said Lamlai Festival for the Maring community was scheduled for October 21, but Kwarok Maring celebrated it today in view of the Ningol Chakoba festival. Now the sports news. Kakching Kunau College, Umathel has won the A. Pratap Singh Memorial MU Inter-College Men's Football Tournament. In the final played at the Regional College Judging Ground, Kakching Kunau College, Umathel's M. Gobindas netted 2 goals in the 18th and 46th minutes of the match. M. Krishnadas, K.H. Chandrakumar and K. David Com scored 1 goal each in the 9th, 27th and 79th minute to edge out Presidency College Modbung 5-1. The lone goal for Presidency College Modbung was netted by Zangin Lun Haurum in the 78th minute. 25 teams took part in the tournament organized by Regional College Judging under the aegis of Manipur University Sports Committee. Singjamai Kendra A. Kangkhut have entered the finals of the 6th Mangsatabam Iboyaima and Punyabati Memorial League Knockout Kang tournament today. In the first semi-final match of the Kendra Wise Kang tournament for 50 and 60 years, Singjamai Kendra A. Kangkhut routed Kontaujam Kendra Kangkhut 12-8 to reach the final. 11 teams are participating in the ongoing Kang tournaments organized by Singjamai Kang Association at Singjamai Chingamathak Namairakpa Mandop Kam Community Hall. In the second semi-final, Nambol Kendra Kangkhut will meet Kundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut tomorrow. FIFA Under-17 World Cup quarterfinals have been set up. On Saturday, Mali will face Ghana in Guwahati at 5 p.m. and the US will meet England in Goa at 8 p.m. On Sunday, Spain will take on Iran in Kochi at 5 p.m. while Germany will take on Brazil in Kolkata at 8 p.m. In the last two rounds of 16 matches played yesterday, Brazil outplayed Honduras 3-0 at Kochi and Ghana outwitted debutants Niger 2-0 at Navi Mumbai. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Police celebrates 125th anniversary. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren asserts police is the mirror of the government. People celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, with a traditional and religious fervor in Manipur. Health Minister Jayanta Kumar emphasizes need for research by young students on medicinal plants used by prior generations in Manipur. And people object to proposed construction of Hairok branch canal as part of Thoubal multi-purpose project, ask government to stop it.